Welcome everyone. Today we've got Teela. I have lost her headdress and her staff. I haven't seen them lately. I've already replaced her hip thing, but something you should know if you ever do attempt to replace the hips, that hers have been modified. They cut a big chunk of hers off because the legs are so much smaller on her than the men. So what I did, I just cut it flush with the band. Basically I just cut it straight across there, and that made it fit in there. So it seems to have worked pretty good for her. She was never one that stood up good because her feet were so small. But obviously did find her shield. She's got the power punch action still functioning. Got all the details on her armor, if I can get it to focus. And the shield, a lot of filigree and stuff there. And her headpiece, nothing, got the belt going around back and her armbands. They actually did paint her armbands, so they didn't know most of the men. They were whatever the skin color was what it generally was. It's worn off on that part, but you can see it was originally painted. Just got the standard Master of the Universe boots. But like I say, I wish I still had her headdress and staff, because the headdress, she was originally, the cartoon character was totally different from what we were presented with in the original mini comics. She was just a wandering warrior goddess who went out and did good deeds. She wasn't like, I think when she had the headdress on, she was a sorceress, and when she didn't, she was this Teela the warrior goddess. They're supposed to be like 2-in-1 characters, I think. I'll have to go. I've got those mini comics. I need to go back and look at them and figure out what they originally said about her. But see, she was the girl. So it was. I liked how they did make her. Once the cartoon came along, I liked how they made her, independent, strong fighter. I thought that was cool. It was in the 80s. That was different. She wasn't just the damsel in distress. That was definitely a different take. It's the first time. I guess some of the G.I. Joe women were scarlet and everything, but they still tended to make her the damsel in distress, where Teela was captain of the guard and the protector of Prince Adam and all that stuff. But I thought, it was definitely different, something I remember about her. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe, because it's going to keep going for a while yet. And I'll see you next time.